Hi ate. Ayun, ganda ng ate ko. Let's go. Nalis na oh. Gusto mo yung brum-brum natin?
Yeah.
Stop. Ate Jake. Dali ha. Start ko lang yung video. Ano, let's go buy na?
Yes. Let's buy now.
Kasama ka sa ano? Sa field trip?
Taas na ni Pito, look. Nandito ko na, sa dibdib. Did you draw?
Yes.
What did you draw?
I draw family.
Family?
Yes.
Andun ba si Daddy? Wow, very good ah. What's that?
I want to do.
Belgian waffle. I'll put it here. Okay. Para may baan ko sa field trip. How about cream o bar?
I will take that.
You don't like?
How about where's my favorite ulam?
Ulam? Hindi, ano, baon lang anak. Yung ulam, may chicken doon. Binili ni Daddy, baliwag, ha? Kain ka na lang pag-uwi. How about this? You want mochi?
How about you? You want?
No, I don't eat mochi. Busog na si Daddy. Kumain na ako sa daan.
This is spicy.
No, not spicy. It's rice cake. You want to try this? No.
That's too mahal.
No, it's only 62 pesos oh. Mura.
Okay.
Bawal mo bukas. O tara, what else? Careful. Laki na, big girl.
Almost there.
Hi ka.
Hi. Hi, Kuya Jaden. Last one.
Last one.
Move it.
Okay. Piece na lang to. Bali dalawa lang nabili ko. Wala na silang stock eh. Gutom. Ate.
Dahil mga Rato Friends ka na.
I will play again. Guys, ito yung tit ko. Ginagaya ko sila. Daddy, tingnan niyo si Daddy.
Golden tip.
Saging gold na talaga. Wala nang white.
Kaya nga.
Wala. There's, ano na lang ako. Tagalog.
Tagalog na lang. Minsan may babati sa'yo dito.
Hi, Ninong. Sir. Wogit mo.
Emerson.
Ang
Say Emerson.
Emerson.
Pogi.
Pogi.
Ano yan? Emerson.
Emerson. Jason Poppy.
Pascual.
Pascual.
Oo, pinsan niya si Piolo Pascual. Jayden, may bumabati sa'yo.
Hi, Kuya Jaden.
Laki na.
I buying my baon.
Oh, buying your baon.
For my field trip, ha?